Uptown Swing, level 2. Swing out. Maddie, not Jeremy, it's Peter. Just pretend.
Still pretty good.
Yeah. We went over the circle today and how to make it really distinct from the swing out. We talked about making the swing out feel very linear and the circle feel very circular. We talked about
Swing out linear.
Linear. The circle, having that rounded corner there. Even if we just freeze after 4 counts, you could tell which one was which based on how Jeremy was leading it. And then you got there yourselves. We also did twists or swivels for followers. We did it by ourselves at first, just making sure that we step on each beat, not sticking to the floor and doing this weird thing, making sure our toes and our knees agree. Talked about how you can practice it by yourself at home to hone it however you would like it to do it. And then when we put it in the swing out, making sure that we prep for it on 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. That was it.